Welcome back to my channel, dear friend. Today we are going to set up a lab, EVNG lab for the we are installing. We will install a switch and router in our EVNG. Okay, let's start. So just start EVNG and let access 192 dot something and login. Right now there is no router, no switches. Okay, yeah, it's a blank. It's only one virtual PC. So let's start WinSCP. WinSCP 192.168.1.28 root root password EV. Okay, we will go OPT unit lab add-on and IL and bin. Okay, and my data is laptop SD drive and IS image, image bin. Okay, so just uh, copy to IL port. Okay, this one. I delete this one. Okay, and now copy to this. I will share this file, cisco file, no issue. Okay, and this one. I need to download putty first. Putty, just wait. Download the putty. And download a putty 64 putty, this one. Downloaded, install. Yeah, 192.168.1.128 root EV. Okay, now we are able to log in EVNG and permission command. We can EVNG permission command G permission command. This is a permission command. Okay, enter. It's done. Now add the switch and router. Cisco yeah, this one. Uh, upper 2 is a router, below 2 is a switch. So let me start first router. This is a router, and now start a switch. Yellow. This is a switch. You can change a file name as WS switch. Layer 2 and layer 3 switch. Okay, this is a switch and save. We can start both the Open a secure CRT. Yeah. Yes, and this one also. How do you forget the change the name? Ratio. Yeah, switches start. Configuration. So VLAN. I just showing a VLAN and then router. Router is starting. Wait for the start. Yeah, now it is start. Yes. So IP and brief. Okay, it's now start. So both the router and switches install and start in EVNG. I'll share all these files. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.